Hello children, hope you all are well. I know everybody love to eat apple, and today we are going to learn how to draw an apple as well as how to color it. So let's start. See, at first we will draw the stem of the apple. How we will draw the stem of the apple? We will draw a small curved line, little bit like this. Okay. Then we stop it over here. Then we'll make a leaf. How we'll make a leaf? From here we'll start making this kind of curve, and then we'll slowly take it down and join it here, and then from the middle we will make a straightly little bit curved line, slanting line. Okay. Now what we will do, we will make this kind of curved line. Okay, and from here we'll start making a line which is from up to down, backward line, like this curved line. Okay, now from here we will make little bit, line this up and down like a small wave. Then from here we will slightly, if you having problem, you give dots and then you will join the line. Okay, then slowly we will join all the dots like this. Yes, and our apple is ready. Now the fun part, and that is coloring part. So at first we will draw the small tiny stem of the apple. Children, which color it is? This is brown color. Okay, so we'll start coloring it very slowly and gently. Color this. Done this one. Now we'll color the leaf. First we will color the outline of the leaf like this slowly. Okay, then we will color the inside part, up to down in one direction, very slowly and gently. No need to do hurry when you are coloring. Okay, if you want your color will look very clean, smooth and nice, then you have to color very slowly. So we have done with our leaf part is done. And now what we will do, here is a slightly curved line. We will border here, give the outline with black color. Okay, it will give a nice dimension to our apple. Now we'll start coloring the apple. So what's the color of apple, children? Everybody knows the color of apple is red, and the spelling of red is R-E-D, red. And what's the spelling of green? G-R-E-E-N. So first we will color the outline so that it will be easy for us to color the apple. Okay, yes, slowly, no need to do hurry, very slowly we will do. See, now we will color the apple from down to up or up to down direction, but very smoothly and gently. See, very slowly we'll do coloring. Okay. Suppose you're having problem to take your hand too long, then we'll take a small portion and color it like this. Try to color very slowly so that you have control in our hand while coloring, so that your color will not go out. Okay. So be slowly and gentle while coloring. Okay. Then we will color this part. We will take a small portion and then we will do coloring. See. Small portion and do coloring like this. See, I'm coloring in same direction like this. Then here slowly if your hands are not going till so up, so take small portion and color it. Okay, small portion and color the apple. See. See children, our coloring part is done. So if you want to color to give outline to your drawing, you can do. So we will also do. That is up to you. Yes. Then this portion.